here today to tell you why we should be in Amazing Race Asia. Me, myself, Daryl Tian, I'm 24 years old and I'm a purely Malaysian Baba Nyonya. Here with me is my brother.
Yeah, I'm Peter. I'm 26 years old this year. My full Chinese name is Peter Tian Bengi, and I'm also a pure Baba Nyonya.
Yay.
So what's so unique about us is that both of us are pure Baba Nyonya, and Baba Nyonya is one of the first descendants who arrived here first in Malaysia. We are actually mix of Malay and Chinese. So we are both are so diverse, and that's why we should be representing Malaysia.
Yay! So here our video shot is where we came from, not where we came from, where our childhood is. So
Naughty.
this is our background of our grandfather house, our ancestors that
So
stay here
bas-
those days before.
So basically, this is a place that we literally jump, hop, and even swim in the muddy river behind here. Yeah.
Those days was the paddy field, and the water buffalo is our jumping platform into that paddy field. So
Yeah.
mud, everything adventure is all
We
what we came.
Go full on of that.
Oh yeah, man. And here is my brother. He's a second in the family. I'm a third in the family, and I got elder sister and younger sister. Moving to the things that we love to do together when we were younger as siblings. All right, we love to do fishing. We love to do boating. We love to do kayaking, water skiing, and everything that related to water. Right.
So basically, we inhabit these water activities is from our parents. We are exposed to every water activities.
So since we were young, we from the Pulau Gadong village.
Mhm.
All right, so we were exposed.
Even the village name of an island itself.
Island, Gadong Island. Since then, we were exposed to this type of activities. That's why we are so tan.
Yeah,
And that's
look at skin.
where the Baba is. You know?
We not only spend most of our time in the village, but we as well spend a lot of time in the island and all the beaches. We could snorkel for hours and hours.
So that is
Yeah.
where we take this opportunity to join Amazing Race
Asia!
Asia to find another new adventure of ourselves as a siblings.
Hey, one of the most amazing thing that inspired us to join the Amazing Race Asia is because we get the opportunity to travel, and most of all, we get to experience a new adventure environment, man.
Yeah. Okay. So we as a team
Yeah.
think we are mentally and physically fit,
Yeah.
and we think that we could win the Amazing Race
Asia!
Asia.